Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting journey into the world of nutrition and wellness. Today, we're diving deep into the world of a superfood you might not know much about: cassava. This root vegetable, often overshadowed by more popular superfoods, deserves a spotlight of its own. This humble root, a staple in many tropical regions, packs a powerful nutritional punch. It's not just a source of carbohydrates, it's a treasure trove of essential nutrients. Don't let its unassuming appearance fool you. Cassava is a nutritional powerhouse waiting to be unlocked. Rich in vitamins and minerals, it can be a game changer in your diet. We'll explore the amazing health benefits of cassava, from boosting your energy to aiding in weight management. Its high fiber content helps in digestion, while its low glycemic index makes it a great option for those managing blood sugar levels. We'll also cover how to safely prepare and enjoy this versatile ingredient. Proper preparation is key to unlocking its benefits while avoiding any potential toxins. Get ready to be amazed by cassava's incredible potential to transform your health. From delicious recipes to nutritional insights, we have a lot to share. Let's get started on this exciting culinary adventure. One of cassava's standout qualities is its impressive fiber content. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system. It acts like a scrub brush for your gut, keeping things moving and grooving. Cassava's fiber content can help prevent constipation and promote regularity. A happy gut means a happier you. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your digestive health, look no further than cassava. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut. Feeling sluggish? Cassava to the rescue! This starchy root is a fantastic source of carbohydrates, which our bodies break down into energy. Think of carbohydrates as the fuel that keeps your engine running. Whether you're hitting the gym or just need a midday pick-me-up, cassava can provide that sustained energy boost you need. Swap out those refined carbs for a serving of cassava and feel the difference. Fuel your body the right way with cassava. Trying to shed those extra pounds? Cassava can be your new best friend. Its high fiber content keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing those pesky cravings. Plus, cassava is naturally low in fat and calories, making it a guilt-free addition to your weight management plan. Swap out those processed snacks for cassava-based treats and watch the pounds melt away. Remember, healthy weight loss is about making sustainable lifestyle changes. Section 5. Cassava on your plate. Easy ways to enjoy this superfood. Now that you know about cassava's amazing benefits, you're probably wondering how to incorporate it into your diet. Fear not, cassava is incredibly versatile. You can boil it, fry it, bake it, or even grind it into flour. From savory dishes to sweet treats, the possibilities are endless. Get creative in the kitchen and let cassava tantalize your taste buds. Section 6. Cassava cuisine. From simple snacks to savory dishes. Let's talk cassava recipes. Cassava, also known as yuca, is a versatile root vegetable that can be transformed into a variety of delicious dishes. Whether you're a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, cassava offers endless possibilities. One of the simplest ways to enjoy cassava is by boiling it and serving it as a side dish, much like potatoes. Boiled cassava is soft, tender, and can be paired with a variety of sauces or dips to enhance its flavor. It's a staple in many households and a great way to introduce cassava to your diet. You can also slice it thinly and fry it to make crispy cassava chips. These chips are a fantastic alternative to regular potato chips and can be seasoned with your favorite spices for an extra kick. Perfect for snacking or as a crunchy side dish, cassava chips are sure to be a hit. For a heartier meal, try incorporating cassava into stews, soups, or curries. Its firm texture holds up well in these dishes, absorbing the rich flavors of the broth and spices. Whether it's a traditional stew or a spicy curry, cassava adds a satisfying bite and makes the meal more filling. Its neutral flavor blends beautifully with a variety of spices and ingredients. From garlic and onions to cumin and coriander, cassava can be seasoned to suit any palate. Experiment with different combinations to find your perfect flavor profile. And let's not forget about dessert. Cassava's natural sweetness makes it an excellent base for a variety of sweet treats. From puddings to pastries, the possibilities are endless. Cassava cake is a popular treat in many cultures, offering a naturally sweet and satisfying end to any meal. This moist and flavorful cake can be enjoyed on its own or with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of ice cream. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your culinary creations. Whether you're making a simple snack or a savory dish, cassava is sure to delight. So, roll up your sleeves, get creative in the kitchen, and discover the delicious world of cassava cuisine. Section 7. The Dark Side of Cassava, Cyanide and Precautions. Before you rush to the store to stock up on cassava, it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks associated with improperly prepared cassava. Cassava contains a naturally occurring compound called linamarin, which can convert to cyanide in the body. Consuming large amounts of improperly processed cassava can lead to cyanide poisoning. Symptoms include headache, dizziness, nausea, and in severe cases, even death. But don't worry, we'll teach you how to prepare cassava safely. Section 8. Choosing and Preparing. Cassava safely. The key to enjoying cassava safely lies in proper preparation. Always choose fresh cassava roots that are firm to the touch and free from mold or damage. Peeling and thoroughly cooking cassava is essential to reduce its linamarin content. Boiling, frying, or baking cassava for extended periods helps break down this compound, making it safe for consumption. Remember, safety first. Always follow these guidelines to enjoy cassava without any worries. Section 9. Cassava. A versatile ingredient for a global palate. Cassava's popularity spans the globe, with various cultures embracing its versatility in the kitchen. In South America, cassava is a staple ingredient in dishes like pão de queijo, cheesy Brazilian bread, and tapioca pudding. In Africa, cassava is enjoyed boiled, fried, or ground into flour for fufu, a dough-like accompaniment to soups and stews. And in Southeast Asia, cassava is used to make everything from noodles to desserts. Cassava truly is a global food. Section 10. Embrace the power of cassava, a nutritious addition to your diet. So there you have it, folks. Cassava, the unassuming root, is a nutritional powerhouse waiting to be explored. From boosting your energy to supporting your gut health, this versatile ingredient deserves a spot on your plate. Remember to always choose fresh cassava and prepare it properly to minimize any potential risks. Get creative in the kitchen, explore different recipes, and experience the deliciousness and health benefits of this amazing superfood. Embrace the power of cassava, a nutritious addition to your diet. So there you have it, folks. Cassava, the unassuming root, is a nutritional powerhouse waiting to be explored. From boosting your energy to supporting your gut health, this versatile ingredient deserves a spot on your plate. Not only is it rich in carbohydrates, providing a great source of energy, but it also contains essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, folate, and magnesium. Remember to always choose fresh cassava and prepare it properly to minimize any potential risks. It's important to peel and cook cassava thoroughly to remove any naturally occurring toxins. Get creative in the kitchen, explore different recipes, and experience the deliciousness and health benefits of this amazing superfood. From cassava fries to cassava flour used in baking, The possibilities are endless. Stay healthy and happy, everyone. Incorporate cassava into your meals and enjoy the journey to better health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring you more valuable content. Don't forget to check our top recommended products. You can find these recommendations in the description box below.